This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Here's a quick fix for a Bosch stove that isn't lighting. So just take off the burner cap and notice that there is a little piece here on the burner cap, a little projection, and it needs to fit into a notch that's on the burner head right here. Kind of slowed down the camera a little bit right there, and that notch is cut out on the burner head, and then kind of the male part of that is on the burner cap. And they have to fit in perfectly together, and if they do, you get a nice quick and easy lighting. But if it's a little bit ajar, which is pretty common, a lot of times that's what's causing it not to light. The other thing to try is to use a wire brush and brush the bottom portion of that burner head and brush the part it touches so you have a nice electrical connection. But with this Bosch stove, by getting the burner head in the right place, it allowed it to just fire up immediately. As soon as I turned it on, maybe clicked one time, we had a nice flame. So this should be a really easy fix, and this pertains to a lot of different stoves. Bosch, Wolf, Viking, lots of them have the same common problem. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.